What's going on, guys? So today we're going to change out some draw mods because, believe it or not, all these bows are not the exact same. Even though my VTM and this AX2 are both a Hoyt, they're not the same. Because I ordered this one at 28, and watching other videos on YouTube, the draw was a little long because my VTM is set at 28 and a half, maybe. And it's really a little bit too much. That was before they came out with the 1/4 inch adjustments. And I think that at 28 and a quarter would be good, but I don't know. My VTM, I put it on 28 and a half and it holds rock solid. Like, I can hit anything. So, we're going to put these new mods on, put it on 28 and a quarter, see what it looks like, and then just go through the process. Because, believe it or not, this is something really simple, and a lot of people don't know how to do it. And with a Hoyt, all you need is a T15 Torx head, which honestly I hate with a passion because these little jokers strip out so bad. I wish that Hoyt would just go to a freaking Allen head. It'd make life so much simpler. Because whenever you gotta drill one of these out, it is a pain in the ass. But let me show you what I'm talking about real quick. For those of you that don't know, these are your draw models right here. So as you see, you got little numbers right here to indicate how far you're at. Like this one's on E, it's maxed out at 28. So with this one, we're gonna put him on the little D. Little D be at 28 and a quarter. Since they're 1/4 inch increments, that means this is gonna go from 28 and a quarter to 29. So regardless, I should be able to get this AX2 shooting and fitting me perfectly. But what you're gonna do is take your little Torx head, get up in there, and pray to God it doesn't strip out on you. See, I was wanting to spin. Oh my God, they put them in there so tight. See, it's already trying to strip out. Put my camera down for a minute because I might have to really get on this joker here. And hell don't always work. Sometimes you gotta go get a socket. Let's see if this little joker will break it. Well, if I put it in the right position, Jonathan, at least it's not tightened. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. This one I done stripped out some, so hopefully he acts right. Got that one. It's always a pain in the ass because they Loctite these damn things. So I'm really trying to avoid drilling these out. So we're going to go to some extreme measures here. We're going to give it a little uggaa duggaa. Please don't strip. Ha ha! Cut your ass! This is a dumb shit. Look at all that damn Loctite on there. I understand it's a moving part and it holds a lot of weight on it, but that's ridiculous, man. You don't need all that shit on there. Both of them covered in Loctite. So, show you how we're going to do this here. Gonna pull this one off. Gonna slide this new mod in there. And we want it on the little D. The little D. 28 and a quarter. Get your mod to line up. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. It's kind of hard. Get him started. And we're still on the little D. Come back over here with your other mod screw. Gotta set y'all down and do this. I need both hands. Sorry. I'll show you when I'm done. That joker buttoned up. I'm not gonna go balls to the wall on it like they had it. Just check screws periodically and you'll be fine. That's all you gotta do. So we're at 28 1/4. Right now this mod's set on extra heavy on the back wall. I'm probably gonna flip them around, put it on heavy, and then drop it to 80. I might even do 75 instead of running 85% let off, because too much let off in your back wall, then your string wants to just jump around and stuff. But I mean, that's how simple it is to change your mods out. Well, unless you got a Hoyt and your torque says want to be a pain in the ass and you gotta drill them out. But yeah, don't forget, like, subscribe. Got a bunch more things coming for this bad boy. Got some Title X bars coming for it. Then also I do plenty of challenges on here. If y'all want to see me shoot something, just let me know. I do plenty of shorts, and then I can make longer videos for y'all. But like I said, just let me know. We'll try to get after it, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching.